Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do everyone's favorite crab masala. Firstly, we are going to prepare for our masala. First, we need mixed spices which consist of pepper, cumin seed and also fennel seed. We need to blend it all together. Now adding big onion and also one big green chilli. Blend it all together. Blend it until it becomes a paste and keep it aside. Now we are going to prepare our radish and also some curry leaves, some tomato. These are the ingredients that we need for our crab masala today. Now we are going to start our cooking with, firstly we need mustard seed, fenugreek seed and also fennel seed. Now we need to add our sliced garlic, which consists of 6 to 8 cloves. And next we are going to add 8 to 10 small onion. Saute it all together. Now we need to add our curry leaves and also the green chilli. Now we are going to add ginger paste, which is pounded, and together with turmeric leaf. Now we are going to add our masala which we blended earlier. And now we are going to add our tomatoes. Mix it all together well. And now we are going to add our radish. And radish is also optional. After adding a little bit water into our radish, now we are going to add chili powder. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of fish curry powder. And 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Now we are going to add some water to make sure our radish and our masala are cooked evenly, and also the water can reduce the green smell. Mix it all together. After our masala have resulted into a thick texture, now we are going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. Now we are going to add our delicious crab into our masala one by one. After mixing our crab with masala, now we are going to add a pinch of salt, and together with a few tablespoons of ghee. We can recognize that our crab is already cooked when we can see the changes of color in our crab, which is orange. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it. Thank you for watching.